SQL. SQL is a structured query language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in databases. Few examples tools are MySQL, MS SQL Server, Oracle, PostgreSQL. So these are the basic definitions in SQL, which are data definition language, DDL, data manipulation language, DML, and data control language, DDL. Coming to data definition language, so it is used to define and modify database structures. So create a new table, you need to use this DDL. Modifies an existing table using alter command. Drop table, which deletes the complete table and the set of records present in the table. Using create table, you can able to create a table. As an example table for employees, we need to define the given columns ID, which is an integer data type with primary key, name varchar 50, length, and salary decimal up to 2 decimal points. When you execute this complete command, it will create a new table into the database. And the next step is modify the table using alter command. So using alter command, you are adding a new column to the given table, which is a department with varchar 50 data type. So this column will be added to the new table. How to delete a table or complete table records with schema utilizing drop command. Now coming to data manipulation language. DML commands are used for managing data within tables using select, insert, update, and delete commands. So select retrieve data from tables. Insert, using insert, you can add the data in the form of rows to the table. Update modifies the records in the table. Delete removes the records, particular records from the table. So a few examples here. Using select, you are retrieving the data from table. Using insert, inserting the data in table. Using update, updating the records in table. Finally, we have data control language, DCL. So it able to give access to the permissions to the user for the given database, which are grant and revoke permissions. So let's do example using these SQL queries on MS SQL Server. Let's do the practical session on MS SQL Server for table creation. So use the master database as a database to work on the table creation. So create table using table command. So we created a table with ID, name, and salary as the given columns. Table has been created, employee table, with 3 columns, ID, name, and salary. With alter command, alter table employee, add department. With alter command, we can add the departments for the given table. After executing it, it will appear in the database table. So we have now around 4 columns in the table. Using drop table command, we can drop the table, complete table. So table has been deleted completely. So these are the few commands which we have discussed in SQL Server to table creation, alter table, and drop table. Create, alter, drop in DDL commands. Let's now coming to the DML commands. So let me create again the table and add the department. Let's cross check the table. Yes, I have 4 columns in the table. ID, name, salary, department. So now we can perform few of the DML operations, data manipulation language operations. First, select star query to retrieve data. So let's select star for employees. It retrieves the data from table. We can see here our table has been retrieved, ID, name, and salary department. But the table is empty. So we can just use insert command to insert the table data. Insert into employees, ID, name, salary department, and give values 1 and 2. Okay, so let's insert two of the records into the given database table. Let us again retrieve the data using select star. Our data has been populated to the given table. Now with update command, we can update the given set of column values. So now we are trying to update the salary values for the ID2. So for ID2, we are updating the record values to 75,000. As of now, it's 65,000. Update employees, set salary equal to 75,000, where ID is equal to 2. Let us check the new record with 75,000 for Sam. Yes. And with the delete statement now, we'll delete a particular record from the table. Delete from employees, where ID is equal to 2. Let us cross check again our data using select star. Retrieve the data. We only have one column in the table. So these are the few commands for DML, data manipulation. Select, insert, update, and delete. Finally, we have data control language commands, grant and revoke. So before doing this, you need to create a database user and create the password for the user. Then we need to log in the user, which is Optim. After logging the user, give permission to this user for the given database and table. These are the permissions given using grant. Select, insert on employees. So select and insert on employees to optimum. So these are the permissions given to the optimum. And then revoke. What are the revoke permissions I'm giving? Select on employees table for optimum. I can also give select, revoke, insert on. So insert permissions also. I'm trying to revoke permissions on employees. These are the few commands discussed for SQL, which are DDL commands, DML commands, and DCL commands. So you can create a comment in SQL using double dash or triple dash you can use. So we have different commands in DML, DCL, which are DDL commands are create, alter, drop. For DML, select, insert, update, and delete. For DCL, revoke and grant. So there's a difference between drop and delete command. So drop, delete the complete table, deletes the complete table, deletes the table, complete table with the records and schema. It's completely deletes the table. But delete command deletes a particular record, deletes a record from the table. That's it for today's session. Thank you.